This is the story about the Mayflower. Around 1620 in England, exactly 102 people boarded the Mayflower to find a new home.
Well, actually, this is 100 less than 102.
They also brought along 2 dogs on board with them.
We don't have any dogs, but does a pet Hoover vacuum count?
People who were on this Mayflower journey said goodbye to their loved ones, their families, their children.
Boring! Okay, first of all, why does this boat have to be called the Mayflower? I mean, it doesn't even look like a flower. Boats don't have anything to do with flowers, you know.
We were just about to say... It's a boat, not a flower! It's just silly things! Oh, I know, Dipsy. Let's name the boat ourselves.
Yeah! We can call this the Tubby Cruiser! Yeah! That's a much better name than Mayflower.
Oh yeah, I like that name.
Ugh, alright fine. The people who were on board the Tubby Cruiser were called pilgrims, and they were on a big journey to find a new home.
That's right! Okay, Pilgrim Poe and Nunu. Let's sail the high seas!
Aye, aye, Pilgrim Dipsy.
You guys are supposed to be pilgrims, not pirates.
Hey, it's our version of the story, Mr. Voice Trumpet.
Ugh, anyway, the pilgrims sailed for days, and got through some terrible storms.
A storm? It seems to be sunny out to me. There's not a cloud in the sky.
Oh, I know! How about we can meet a sea dragon?
What? There were no sea dragons in the Mayflower journey.
Oh, really? Then what do you call that? Rah! Hello, I am Drake the Sea Dragon. Uh-oh, Drake the Sea Dragon. Listen, we need your help. We're trying to find some place to build our home. So do you know anywhere that we can go?
Oh, I know the way. Just go back that way, and you'll find a perfect place to make your home.
Oh, thank you, Drake the Sea Dragon.
No problem. Glad I could help.
All right, off we go. Ha-ha!
I guess, with the help of a sea dragon, the 2 pilgrims were able to get to their destination.
Oh, Pilgrim Dipsy, we're here.
All right, land ho! Land ho! We've made it! Ha ha ha!
Yay! Come on, Nunu. We've got a home to build. Yeah!
The 2 pilgrims and their pet vacuum then searched for a good area to build their home.
So, Pilgrim Dipsy, where are we going to build our house at?
Well, we can build it almost anywhere, Poe. I mean, there's a lot of space on this island, so we can build it anywhere. But we gotta watch out for Indians.
Indians? What are Indians?
Well, Pilgrim Poe, Indians are very dangerous and no good. They're always up to something, so we gotta watch out.
Oh dear, we wouldn't want that.
No, we wouldn't, but I know where we can build our home.
Really? Where?
Follow me, ha-ha!
All right.
We're off to find a home for us to live.
It took days for the pilgrims to build their settlement, but they were able to get it done.
All right, it's finished. I know it's not much, but that's the best that we can do for now, before it gets to winter.
Well, I guess that's all right, Pilgrim Dipsy, but I'm starting to get hungry now.
Hey, I'm getting hungry too. I don't see any food around here. Hey, Nunu, do you see any food? Well, I guess we have to wait until we see some food then. While we're at it, let's just go ahead and go inside our house.
All right, Pilgrim Dipsy.
And Nunu, you keep an eye out for any Indians. Yeah, that's right. We wouldn't want any Indians to try to invade our home.
All right, come on, Pilgrim Dipsy. Let's go inside our house.
All right, Pilgrim Poe.
So the pilgrims stayed in the home they built, and kept an eye out for Indians. It has been months, the pilgrims didn't have any food to eat and they were starving.
I am so hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm starving. We haven't eaten in like months.
Yeah, where are we going to find food, Pilgrim Dipsy?
I have no idea, Pilgrim Po. But we have to do this. We can do this, right?
I'm not really sure, Dipsy. I need to eat.
Yeah, you do have a point there. I need to eat too. Oh.
Oh dear, they're not looking too good.
It sure is great being an Indian.
Yeah, you said it, Indian Squarey.
I know, Indian Lala.
Indian Lala, Indian Squarey.
Oh, what is it, Indian Tinky Winky?
The pilgrims haven't eaten in months.
Oh, dear. Those poor pilgrims.
We must help them. It's the right thing to do.
Yeah, Indian Squarey is right. We have to help those pilgrims. Come on.
All right, let's do this.
Indians to the rescue!
So the Indians went to go help the pilgrims.
Oh, Pilgrim Po. I don't think I can go on much longer. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too. I don't think we can make it. Oh.
Well, what is it, Nunu? Oh, no!
Huh? Well, what's wrong, Pilgrim Dipsy?
We have trouble up ahead.
Oh, no! Indians!
Quick, let's take cover! Ah!
Well, wait! Don't be afraid. We're friendly.
Friendly?
Yeah, we're not here to hurt you. We're here to help you. Help us?
That's right. I was watching you guys, and you guys didn't look so good. You haven't eaten in months.
Yeah, that is true.
So, we have made you guys a full-course meal.
That's right, with Tubby custard and Tubby toast.
There wasn't Tubby custard or Tubby toast in 1620.
Hey, this is our story, remember, Voice Trumpet? Anyway, that's what we made for you. And we want to invite you for dinner. And we can give you a better home as well.
Yeah, we can provide anything for you pilgrims.
Wow, that's very nice of you. I guess Indians aren't dangerous after all. Ha ha ha.
Well, what are you waiting for, Pilgrim Dipsy? Let's have dinner.
All right, showtime. Let's go. Ha ha.
Since the Indians were so nice to the pilgrims and the Indians became friends and ate a big feast to celebrate their friendship.
Wow, all this food looks so delicious.
Yeah, you Indians did a great job.
Why, thank you.
You know, us pilgrims want to say thank you to you Indians for helping us.
It's no problem, Pilgrim Dipsy. That's what us Indians do.
Yep, that's right. Now, without further ado, let's dig in!
Yeah, showtime!
Hey, what about me? I'm a part of this too, you know.
Ugh, okay, so the pilgrims, the Indians, and the sea dragon happily ate the big feast together.
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, I'm gonna have some Tubby custard. Yum, 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 yum.
The end.
Ah, yes, what a happy ending.
Yeah, it was fun playing this story.
Oh, yeah, I like being an Indian.
Yeah, this was fun.
It sure was.
But most of all, we all love each other very much, no matter if we're pilgrims or Indians.
Yeah!
Oh, yes! Yeah!
Uh-huh. Yes, definitely.
Uh-oh! Let's go!